everybody, it's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I'm going to be using this, that's backwards, this ColourPop palette that says Lit on it, and I got it in my Ipsy bag as an add-on for August, and I really love these colors. These are kind of in my color wheel, and so I'm really excited to try them. I didn't even swatch them when I got this, so I have no idea how any of this is gonna look, how any of it's going to perform, but we're gonna get started anyways. Okay, so I laid down a primer, and this is the primer that I used. It is Priming is Everything by The Balm, and it comes in this, here I'll lay my stuff down a minute. It comes in this cute little packaging as always, and you can see that I am using it already a lot. I love the Balm products just because their packaging is so darn cute. The only thing about this palette that I don't like already is that it doesn't have a mirror. So I'm going to hold a mirror and try to do my eye look for you today and show you what colors I'm using and all that. So this all might be a hot mess, I don't know, but all right, this is the first color I'm gonna try. It's called Batting, I think. So I'm just gonna lay this down as a all over shade. Now I have got some hairs, can you see that? But mama ain't got time to fix it, so we're moving on. By the time that you see this video, I will be in Nashville. My dad called. I'm filming this on Wednesday, like the previous week from when you're seeing it, but my dad called and said that my granddaddy, the hospice nurse only gave him 3 or 4 days. If I look back, it's just because I hear something and I'm waiting on Mike to get home, but they only gave him about 3 or 4 days. So I am flying to Nashville on Friday. So when you see it, that's where I'll be. All right, so there is just a little bit of that base color there. I don't know if I said it, but I really like this eye primer because when I go to put on my eyeshadow and I am wanting my brush to slide across my eye, it doesn't like catch, it doesn't get stuck. And I had been using one that we got in another box. It was by Bella Pierre, I think. And I mean, the brush just doesn't slide across my eye and it's annoying. Okay, so that's the first one I'm gonna use, and now let's go with this one. Why not? This is She Got Money. I wish I had money. And any money I had, it gone now. Something that we have never had to do before is pay our property taxes separate than, oh, I had blue or something on that. Ah! See if I can wipe it off with my, so now I got some blue. We'll have to try to cover that up. But anyways, we've never like paid our property taxes separate, you know, from our mortgage. It's all, you know, been rolled into like property taxes and insurance and stuff like that. But when we bought this house, we had to do it a little bit different because we still had our farmhouse in Tennessee. so everything is separate. And our property taxes for this 6 months is like $900 or something like that. And now I've had to buy a plane ticket, and you know, life stuff happens. I really like this gold shade. It is getting down here, but you know, I should probably be like everyone else and put on my foundation later after I don't even know what that was. You know, put on my foundation later so that it cleans it up. But number one, I always do stuff the hard way. And number two, if I'm just gonna do an eye look for you guys, I like to have everything already done. So we done with it. All right, I like that. That golden color is really pretty. It is gloomy outside, just right outside this window, and you know, it's giving me a headache. Like, I hate that every time it rains, I get a headache. Okay, let me put that mirror down, and let's pick up this one right there. And I'm gonna do the crease with it. So, and this one's called Mercy. Now we're gonna see if it's Mercy, oh my goodness, bold. These are so pretty. I'm probably gonna say that like a gazillion times because I love it. Ooh. I love how that She Got Money and the Mercy color is like really catching right here and blending in the corner. I hope it's coming off on the camera as pretty as it is in real life, but it's like very glamorous. She got glamour today. I don't really, because on the bottom half of this black shirt, I got on leggings. I have no idea what I'm going to pack. Ugh. But, you know, he's 96 years old, and, you know, he's ready. He's ready to go home, as they say. All right, what do y'all think of that? I feel like I'm doing everything backwards than what I normally do it today, but whatever. Whatever. All right. Let's go with, how about this Peridot? Is that what that says? Let's go with this one. And come up here just a little. These are really, really pigmented too. I'll do a swatch on my arm so that y'all can see what they look like. But I am really digging it. I don't know, am I the only one where one side is always like, it's got more shadow on it than the other, and then I try to match them, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't? I guess because I, you know, put more shadow on that side. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but I got some, which I don't mind, you know, like having the shimmer come down a little bit. I kind of like that look for myself. And usually you can clean it up anyways with, I'm actually going to go back in here with this She Got Money, and that's what I'm going to put down here. Just because I think it's so pretty. Well, if this palette is available somewhere on the ColourPop website, run out and get it. Here I am making that face again. I feel like my mom did that when she put on makeup. All right, I am going to put on my eyeliner and my mascara, and I'll be right back. There we go. There is the eye look with the Bretman X ColourPop Lit Palette. I really like the way it performed, and oddly enough, as a surprise to me, I love this gold shimmer color. But I told you that I would swatch them all really quick on my arm, just so you kind of get a feel of all of them. And so I'm going to do that for you. So that's what they are like. This is Or Whatever, Mercy, Macchiato, and Cleo Amore, something like that. So they're coming this way. So that's what those look like. And then I'm gonna have to do my other arm because I don't have a wipe right here. That's that golden color, the corally color, a red. So to me, I mean, they're okay swatched, but if I swatched them and then made up my mind, I'd be like, meh. But they did way better on my eyes than what they're swatching on my arm, I think. What do you think? So, up close look. This is what we got going on today. Alrighty. I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful day, and happy travels if you're traveling anywhere for Labor Day weekend or Labor Day. And yeah, just make sure that you be kind, do life, and love big. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I love having you here. I love reading your comments and talking with you. I've made so many sweet friends and couldn't ask for anything better. So, bye.